How to make money with ChatGPT. Ever since OpenAI launched ChatGPT, things have changed dramatically in the tech landscape. 1. Find unclaimed money. With the Internet Browsing plugin, ChatGPT 4 can access live internet and find unclaimed refunds from companies and government agencies under your name. 2. Build an app, website, or service. The next best way to make money with ChatGPT is by building a product. And for this, you don't need to learn to code. ChatGPT can help you translate your ideas into real products with step-by-step instructions on how to use frameworks, tool chains, programming languages, etc. 3. Get business ideas from ChatGPT. To make money using ChatGPT, you must use it to its full potential. In case you are unaware, ChatGPT is good at churning out new ideas for passive income. For example, you can run the below prompt in ChatGPT to ask about side hustle ideas, depending on your preferences. 4. Create an AI chatbot. Business companies, educational institutions, apps, and even individuals want to train the AI on their own custom data and create a personalized AI chatbot. You can earn good money if you learn how to train an AI and create a cool front end. 5. Email affiliate marketing. Email affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money using ChatGPT. The chatbot is good at writing emails in various ways and can persuade users to click on a link to buy products or subscribe to a service. 6. Turn into a prompt expert. The best AI tools on mobiles and even the best ChatGPT alternatives have their own nuances. If you're someone using AI image generators, the process of actually using them can get even harder. This is because artificial intelligence, while smart, can be dumb if not given the right prompts to work with. These, while initially unnecessary, have turned into proper careers. So, for the audience out there that requires detailed yet concise prompts to use Midjourney to generate AI art, you can be the one who steps in. 7. Create videos with ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT to come up with video ideas in a particular category. After that, you can ask it to write a script for the YouTube video as well. Once you are done, you can go to Pictory.ai or InVideo.io to quickly create videos from the text along with AI-backed narration. 8. Write ebooks and self-publish. People are using ChatGPT to write ebooks on many relevant and niche topics and selling them directly on Amazon using the Kindle Direct publishing platform. 9. Create audiobooks. The generative AI revolution has made it possible to create content in multiple verticals. Be it video, text, image, or audio, you can now create content using AI in no time. 10. Become a data analyst. With the help of ChatGPT, you can become a data analyst and earn huge money on the side. 11. Freelance and create content. Finally, you can freelance in any domain and use ChatGPT on the side to make money. In fact, companies are now incentivizing people who use AI tools like ChatGPT to make the content look more professional and well-researched. 12. Become a virtual assistant. With the best ChatGPT plugins and the right skills by their side, anyone can use the AI chatbot to make money. From overly simple tasks like sending emails and Slack messages to helping users perfect their code and drafting out entire stories and even language translation, there's a lot you can do. So, yes, it's entirely possible to make money using ChatGPT.